Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to retrieve deleted photos on your Samsung phone. First, go to the Gallery app. This is where all your saved photos and videos are stored. Once you're inside the gallery, look at the bottom corner of the screen and tap on the menu option, 3 horizontal lines. From the menu list, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Trash, sometimes called Recycle Bin, depending on your device model. When you open the trash folder, you'll see all the photos and videos that were recently deleted. Keep in mind that Samsung devices usually keep deleted items in the trash for 30 days before permanently removing them. So make sure you restore your photos within this time. Now browse through the deleted items and select the photo or photos you want to recover. After selecting them, tap on the Restore button at the bottom of the screen. Your selected photos will automatically return to their original location in the gallery. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials.